Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Let's continue our discussion on division. So we spoke about multiplication in the last lecture. Let's understand what is division. Let's say you have a number 12 that you want to divide by 6. This is how you write division, or you denote division like this, right? So let's understand some concepts in division. One, this number which you want to divide is called dividend. The number from which you want to divide this is called divisor. When you divide a dividend by a divisor, the answer that you will get is called quotient. And if there is anything left, if it is not completely divisible by this divisor, the remaining portion is called remainder. Alright? So so ultimately what is the thing is, there is an equation, there is a relationship between all these. It is called dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right? We'll understand this how this works, right? So if you're trying to divide 12 by 6, let's say for example, right? So you have 12, you have 6, so you'll keep on reading the table of 6 until you reach this number, right? So you 6 times 2 is 12, and you subtract this 12 by 12. 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what you have done is you have divided 12 by 6. 12 is dividend, 6 is divisor, 2 is quotient, and remainder is 0. So how you will write this is dividend is 12, divisor is 6, quotient is 2, remainder is 0. So 12 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 0. So that's the relationship. Hope you understand this. Now we will talk about two-digit division, more than a bigger digit, right? So let's take another example. Let's say you have 74 and you want to divide it by 6 again. Let's take an example, right? So if you want to divide 74 by 6, what you need to do, a simple fundamental that you need to do while doing a single digit division is, you should start marking the single digits, right? If the number is lesser than bigger than this number, if the number is lesser than this number, then you take another number. I will explain that concept. Here this number is bigger than, so this one digit, first digit, is bigger than 6. That's why I have marked single digits only. Now we will keep on reading the table of 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. You bring this number down, 14. Then you again keep on reading the table. 6 times 2 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. So the dividend is 74. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 12 plus remainder is 2. So if you try to solve this, you have 12 plus 6, 6 times 12 is 72, plus 2 is equal to 74. So you will always get, with this equation, with this relationship, you will always get the dividend back. Now let's take another example where the first digit is a smaller number, right? So let's say you have 5, 4, 9, 549, right? And if you want to divide it by 6 again, let's take this example. Now this 5 is smaller than 6. Now you cannot mark this as 1. You need to take these two together and then continue marking single digits, right? Understand this concept very clearly. This is very important. Now you will read this number, right? So 54, you keep on reading 6 tables. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 minus 54 is 0. You bring this down. 6 times 1 is 6. 3. So the answer is 91 and the remainder is 3, right? So how do you check whether your answer is correct or not, right? So to check this, what you need to do is to do the same math, right? So you need to do 6 into 91 plus 2. 6 times 1, 6, 9, 9 is 46 plus 3, sorry, plus 3, the answer is 549. So when you solve it with this relationship, you should always get the dividend. That's how you check the answer. Thank you.